come to displacement reaction. What was displacement reaction? Any one element which is more reactive than the other element will displace the other element from its salt solution. So X will displace Y from its salt solution and produce XZ plus Y. See here, zinc, as we learned in the electrode potential last day, let us turn over those pages. Zinc minus 0.76, copper plus 0.34. So copper copper less reactive, zinc more reactive, because zinc will undergo oxidation easily. So zinc more reactive than copper. Even your metal reactivity series in class 10 tells you that zinc is above copper in the metal reactivity series. So zinc will displace copper from copper sulfate solution to form zinc sulfate. See, copper undergoes reduction because its electrode potential was greater, plus 0.34. So undergoes reduction, plus 2 to 0. Zinc undergoes oxidation, 0 to plus 2. Because zinc's value was less in the electrode potential series, so it undergoes oxidation, 0 to plus 2. Copper undergoes reduction, plus 2 to 0. Chromium trioxide, aluminium. Aluminium more reactive than chromium trioxide, will displace chromium from chromium trioxide, giving aluminium oxide. Chromium trioxide undergoes reduction, plus 3 to 0. Aluminium undergoes oxidation, 0 to plus 3. Chromium reduction, aluminium oxidation. I hate marking with a pen, but okay. So this is reduction, this is oxidation. Let's check their values. Chromium is minus 0.74. Where is aluminium? Aluminium minus 1.66. So aluminium is minus 1.66, chromium is minus 0.74. That means chromium has a higher reduction value than aluminium. So chromium is more likely to undergo reduction compared to aluminium, which is what is happening. So this is metal displacement reaction. What happens for a non-metal displacement reaction? See, oxygen will be displaced by sodium to give you sodium hydroxide. Sodium undergoes oxidation, 0 to plus 1. Hydrogen undergoes hydrogen remains the same. Hydrogen undergoes reduction, plus 1 to 0. Sodium undergoes oxidation. I focused wrong. Sodium undergoes oxidation, 0 to plus 1. Hydrogen undergoes reduction, plus 1 to 0. Okay. Less reactive metals, manganese or magnesium. Magnesium undergoes oxidation, 0 to plus 2. Whereas hydrogen undergoes reduction, plus 1 to 0. So this is non-metal displacement reaction.